to look at a special product from Yuanran. They're a company from Suzhou who are exhibiting here in the Fashion Tech Zone at Global Sources Fashion. We've got Gigi, who is here to tell us about the company and your product. Yeah?
Okay, our main product is the graphic polymeric nano energy heating down jacket. There is their power, and it has 3-point, and you can control the temperature. You can give your hand.
Okay, yeah. If I put my hand in here, it's got a kind of warming area, like over the shoulders, like between the shoulders, I would say.
It has put some Chinese herb in it, and it is good for your health. And the whole project is good for winter, and you don't feel cold anymore.
I see. So what are the three modes? What's the difference between these colors? Okay, please, sorry. Sorry, start again. We were briefly paused for some reason there. Can you tell us again what are the three different colors?
Okay. This is the highest 25, and this is the lowest. It's about 35.
35.
Yeah,
okay.
And it has different type. You don't need to always carry this because we can also use our phone. This product has different
battery as well. Oh, that's very convenient.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess then a crucial question is, what's the MOQ if someone wants to order this from you?
It is designed from graphite. It is from the graphite. It is good for your health, and you don't need worry about the electric. It's just translated, but you can't feel it.
Okay, I see. And how much does it cost if I want to order one from you?
This you can see that $85. Yeah.
And is there a minimum order? Do I have to order like 100 at a time or more than that?
The price can.
And then the price will come down like that a little bit. So there you go. That is the sort of self-heating graphene jacket from Yuanran. They also do other kind of related products. You can see down here.
It's the same material, and you can feel.
Yeah, this is like same kind of principle as an electric blanket, but it's a carpet. You can walk on it. Which is great for inside the home if you live somewhere cold. Like actually, I don't know how cold Suzhou gets, but certainly there and points further north in China do. So if this sounds appealing to you, the booth number, I never remember the booth number, excuse me. Booth number 9E36 is the place to come and talk to Gigi and her compatriots here at Yuanran. And also there are 2,500 booths of fashion and the new lifestyle show here at AsiaWorld-Expo until October the 30th. So do come down and see that. globalsources.com/exhibitions is the website to visit to get free admission and free transport to the show, and preview and directly contact through the website all of the exhibitors here, which is worth doing. You can set up a meeting before you're even out of the show. Don't forget,